So our problem is talking about our friend Alex's new apartment. And it came in with a walk-in closet, which Miss Oliver would really love because she has way too many clothes. So Alex's new apartment, this is his walk-in closet. This is the diagram that architects are pretty much going to give you when you're looking at models of houses. Has all the dimensions and the general shape of the closet. Okay? We need to figure out how much space is inside. So that means we're looking at volume. We need to find the volume of Alex's apartment. Now, this is an irregular shape. I say that because it's not one clear rectangular prism. It looks like it could be split into two. So I am going to make this into two rectangular prisms. I'm going to draw a red line to split these apart. I can either go this way or this way. I'm going to choose to do this way. So we have this prism in the back, which I'm going to label A, and this prism in the front, which I'm going to label B. We need to find the volume of the overall closet. And I remember that the overall volume is the volume of rectangle A plus the volume of rectangle B. So let's find our pieces for A and B. The volume of A, we know is going to be length times width times height. So let's take a look at our diagram. What do we notice about the length, the width, and the height of rectangle A? I can see that the back of A, this is the length, and it's 2. So I'm going to put 2 in for my length. My width is off to the side, and it's going to be 1. So that means this and this piece right here is going to be 1 meter. Because a property of rectangles is that the width matches. So 1, that means this is 1, means this bottom piece is 1. And I've noticed too that the height is labeled over here as 1 meter. Now when I multiply this through, I can do this really quickly in my head. 2 times 1 is 2, times 1 is 2. So the volume of A is 2 meters cubed. So I'm going to put that in for volume A. 2 meters cubed. So now let's take a look at rectangle B. Again, we know that the volume of B is going to be length times width times height. So let's see what we are noticing. I noticed right away that the length in the front is labeled 1. I noticed over here, it's far away from the diagram, but it's showing you that this piece right here, this width, is also 1. And I know this is true because this whole width down here is 2. And if the width of A was 1, that means the width of B also has to be 1, because 1 plus 1 equals 2. And our height is labeled right here. It's really small to see. I apologize for that, but it's also 1. Again, the math is pretty nice this time. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 meter cubed. So we're going to put that into my equation up here. And when I when I add across, my overall volume is going to be 2 plus 1, which is 3 cubic meters. So we have 3 cubic meters as our volume of our closet.